Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new here or just visiting, welcome. My name is Myra and I would love for you guys to consider subscribing here on my channel and help your girl reach 2,000 subscribers this year. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the bag that I use for work, and aside from my never full, I also like using this bag because it carries a ton. So if you guys enjoy watching these types of videos, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into it. So here she is, guys. Here is the bag that I'm currently using at work, and as you guys can see, it's huge. It's very much comparable to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM, their biggest size, and this one is actually from Gucci, and I purchased this I think almost 5 years ago now, and I paid 490 AUD for it, and back then it was so cheap. Now everything's just ridiculous. And yeah, I think this is from their luggage or travel collection, something like that, and I'm pretty sure it's already discontinued, but they have a ton of similar things that they're selling at the moment. And yeah, aside from these little discolorations around the corner, this bag has held its shape, and I mean, Gucci is really known for their great quality, guys. So yep, this is a really good investment, and yeah, it's very useful for me. So enough of me rambling now. I'm just gonna dive into it and show you guys what's inside my bag. So the first thing that I can see here, are my car keys. And if you've watched my video, my very first video actually here on YouTube, then you've already seen this keychain, and I've talked about it before, and this is actually from my auntie in Italy, and yeah, it's just really nice. It's so easy for me to find this key inside my huge bag. Second thing that I've got inside my bag is this Louis Vuitton key clay. I think that's what it's called. It actually has a chain inside, if I can grab it. So yep, that's just how it looks like, and I like taking this with me because I store my loyalty cards and my Opal card, which is our travel card here in Australia, specifically in Sydney. And yep, next thing that I have inside my bag is my wallet. It is the, I think, Josephine wallet from LV with the monogram print. I'm not quite sure, don't quote me on that. It's either Josephine or Sarah. So yep, here is how she looks like, and as you guys can see, it has a magenta pink button right there, which is same color as the interior. Again, this wallet I think I have for over 3 years now, and I mean, it is quite pricey, but it's really good quality and they actually last long. Third item that I see inside my bag is this piece of crumpled paper, and it is actually a project that I'm currently working on with some of my contacts in the Philippines, aka my cousins, my prospective business partners, if you may. And it is something exciting that I'm currently working on, and I'm excited to share it with you guys, hopefully in the near future, and I really can't wait. I can't wait to share it with you guys. But for now, just a bit of a teaser, I guess. But yeah, that's what this piece of paper is for. The second thing, sorry, not the second thing, it's the fourth or fifth, but anyway, the next thing that I can see is this comb. So I had this big tooth comb for a couple of years now as well, and as you guys can see, it still looks brand new. I really like taking care of my stuff, even though I just got this for really dirt cheap price from Forever 21 a couple of years ago. I take care of it, and yeah, that's the reason why some of my things last me for years. And then the next thing inside my bag is this Coco Mademoiselle body mist. If you have already seen my Chanel haul where I show you guys the things that you can actually buy from Chanel for less than 200 bucks, then I recommend you guys watching that, because I talked about this product as well, which I am currently obsessed with. The next thing that I have inside my bag is this packet of mints or chewy, and I mean, you know, I haven't opened it. It's a spare gum inside my bag, because you'll never know if you're gonna have some bad breath or whatnot. But yeah, just for hygiene purposes, I just keep this inside my bag to always have your breath fresh. Alright, so the next thing that I can grab is my yearly planner, 2018 planner, and it's in this rose gold color. It's really nice and cute, and I think I got this one from Kmart. Here is the planner, and it says live a little sparkle wherever you go, and I do stand by this, and I like how cute it is on a rose gold foil. And I've got my pen in there, and I've got like some cute stickers right here as well, and it has a weekly planning thing, things that I need to remember, my 2018 goals, and so that's just my 2018 planner, which I'm really loving at the moment. And I know a lot of you guys are probably, oh my god, she's so old school, but nothing beats, like, I mean, for me anyway, remembering things when you write them. I know that a lot of people prefer using their mobile phones, but in my case, I'm kind of old school, so yeah, I still use this one. So the next thing that I have inside my bag is this guy right here, which is a pair of shades from, or sunnies from Key, Australia. This is how she looks like. It's pretty cool. So it's a muted down gold, or is it brass? I'm not sure, but yeah, it's muted down gold color, and this is just how she looks like. It's so nice and fancy, and I like how big they are, because they cover, like, I mean, I've got a big face, or they cover like almost a big chunk of it as well. So I really love them. They look nice, and yeah, very trendy and edgy, and yeah, I really like them. So thumbs up if you guys want to buy something from Key, Australia. I will link it down below as well. But yep, this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just love them, seriously. So yep, I highly recommend them. If you really want to buy, then again, I will put their link down below for you guys to check out. So the next thing that I got inside my bag is this makeup pouch right here, which is actually a freebie from a perfume that my husband got for Christmas. And this one is from Giorgio Armani perfumes, and that's just how it looks like. It's really thin and light, but I mean, the quality is really good. And inside are my essentials, and as you guys can see, the first thing was this Vice Lippies. These are actually from the Philippines. My relatives actually got this for me for my birthday, and they sent it to here in Sydney, and I really love them. So the shade that I'm using right now, it's called Aura or Aura. So this is actually done by Vice Ganda, which is a famous actor slash comedian in the Philippines, and it's really nice. They're actually really cheap, and they've got a variety of shades as well, and I'm pretty sure they also have lip kits. So if you're interested, I'll put the link down below as well. Again, this is not sponsored. I just really love the products, and yeah. And sorry, the other shade that I have is called Hayabayabayut. All the names are quite interesting, and yep, yeah, just check their link down below if you want to see more of their products. I've got a ton of products in here, but if you want to know more about what's in my makeup kit or what's in my Kike kit, please let me know on the comment section down below so I can film that one separately for you guys. Or if you want a makeup collection video, please do let me know as well. And yeah, I can talk about my beauty products more in the near future. And the last thing that I have inside my bag is this pouch, which is actually attached to the bag. And if you open it up, oh, I have this Giorgio Armani pouch here, which I don't know, I just keep it here inside my bag just in case I need it for some storage. And another thing that I have here is this Chanel pouch, which is actually a compact mirror, which looks like so. And it's really nice. Again, if you guys have seen my Chanel haul, then you'll probably seen this one as well, which I'm currently loving at the moment. I will put the link down below for you guys so you guys can watch it. And the next thing inside is this Beats container right here, which is actually a present that my husband got me, I think last Saturday. It was a surprise present from him, and he is really thoughtful, you guys. I mean, I'm going on a holiday soon and the flight will be really long, so he's really thoughtful to gift this one to me. Kudos to my husband for being so thoughtful and generous as always. And the last thing that I have here inside the pouch is the receipt of the Gucci bag. Yeah, I'm really sentimental like that. As I said earlier, I take care of my things. I keep these. And yeah, let me check when's the exact date. Okay, so this one was actually purchased on the 18th of June 2013. So almost 5 years now, guys. And yep, how time flies. But anyway, this bag has really served its purpose, and it's really good. And if you guys do decide to invest, I'm pretty sure that you guys can find something similar from Gucci as well, and Louis Vuitton. So I mean, it's not cheap, but it's not that pricey, if you know what I mean. I mean, 490 AUD was a fairly good price back then. I'm not sure how much they go for now, but I'm pretty sure that Tory Burch and Michael Kors would have something similar. If you want to buy something from the high street, then I do recommend those brands, or Kate Spade even. Now we're at the end of the video, and again, this is the bag, which is all empty now. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and that bell right next to it as well, so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time. Paalam!